Public Library. Let's discover the Makey Makey Kit together. Visit our website www.hpl.on.ca to borrow this kit with your library. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Makey Makey Kit to create a musical set of glasses. So for our video today, in order to follow along, you're going to need 3 glasses of water, 1, 2, 3. They don't need to have much water in them, but they do have to have enough that you can stick your whole finger in them, and it gets nice and wet. The next thing we're going to need is a computer with an internet connection. It's also important that your computer has a USB port. For this reason, an iPad or a cell phone won't work without the appropriate adapter. The next thing you're going to need is the Makey Makey Kit. When you get your Makey Kit, you'll open it up, and inside you will find a switchboard. This might look intimidating, but this is essential to creating our musical glasses. There will also be a series of alligator clips. For the purposes of this video, you will only need 4 of the clips. There are many colors to choose from. You can pick your favorite. I'm going to use gray, white, green, and orange. The other ones I'll set to the side. The final thing from this kit that you'll need to follow along with our video is the USB cord. This USB cord is quite long, but most importantly are the connectors. The smaller end needs to be plugged into the Makey Makey. You can find the port right here. It's important that you are gentle with this technology, as it can be delicate. This connector, you're going to want to go ahead and plug right into your computer, into one of your USB ports. So for our first step, we're going to want to go ahead and plug in our Makey Makey board. It can be plugged in on the back here and then connected through the USB port to your computer. On your computer, you want to pull up one of the Makey Makey pianos. This can be done at apps.makeymakey.com/piano/ or by typing piano Makey Makey into Google. I'm going to go ahead and take the white alligator clip and connect it to one of those ground sections that I mentioned earlier. I'm going to take the other end of the alligator clip, ensure that it's fully exposed, and connect it to my body in some way. I don't recommend attaching it to your finger because it really hurts. You can stick it to your clothes, or I like to attach it to my watch. If you're having any problems with your Makey Makey, I'd recommend ensuring that this connection is good, that it's touching your skin. If it's not touching your skin, there's a chance that your Makey Makey will not work properly. So now we're connected to our board, and our board is connected to our computer. It's time to connect these glasses. In order to control this first key here, we're going to match the symbol to the one on our board. It's this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and connect the orange alligator clip by sticking it in these 2 holes to our board. I'm then going to drop the other side of the alligator clip into this glass of water, ensuring that the alligator clip is fully submerged. With the water attached to the board attached to me, all that is left to complete the circuit is to attach me to this glass of water. I'm going to try sticking my finger in and listen and see what happens. Oh, it worked. Our connection's good. Well, that's great, but you can't make many songs with only one connection, with only one note. So we want to go ahead and add some others. Next, I'm doing the upwards pointing arrow and dropping it in the second cup. And then I'll do the arrow pointing in the opposite direction on the side, and I'll drop it in our third cup. You want to ensure that these wires only are in 1 cup each. This makes sure that you're only triggering 1 note at a time. Let's see if it worked. Sounds good to me. See if you can tell what song I'm playing with these 3 notes. Once you've done these 3 notes, you can actually go ahead and add the other 2 as well. All you will need to do this are 2 more glasses of water and 2 more of the alligator cables, which are included in your Makey Makey kit. The Makey Makey is an electronic invention kit for all ages. It allows you to take everyday objects and combine them with the internet, and there's no limit to what you're able to create. Thank you for watching. Are you ready to discover something new? Go to www.hpl.on.ca and search Discover Together to put one on hold. And don't forget your library card.